Picture this. You're driving down a remote road when all of a sudden a moose pops out of the tree line and wanders into your path. You slow down or maybe even stop and pull over at the side of the road, and you're scrambling for your phone in order to take a photo before the moose moves along. Well, you're right to wonder if your Kodak moment isn't as enjoyable for the moose as it is for you. Any wild animal, no matter how docile it appears, can be unpredictable and can seriously harm a person. Some animals will display warning signs that you're getting too close. A bird might puff up its feathers, or an elk might stomp its hooves. If you see one of these signs, back off and give the animal space. And avoid turning your back to them. It could rile them up even more. The best course of action is to not get too close in the first place. Even just being in their territory can be stressful for animals, and that can cause them to take drastic action. They might move their young or expel their last bits of energy to flee from you. So take care when photographing wildlife. Phone cameras are pretty advanced these days. Give them room, use your zoom is a good reminder. And remember, when you're in the wild, you're in their space, so stay on trails and try not to trample any vegetation. Think of it this way, you probably wouldn't want somebody to come into your house, snap a photo of you, and leave their mess behind either.